Morning, Dean here, A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. So the process I'm going through here is we're installing the timbers, different widths, different, you can't get everything perfect because it's a log cabin, so getting it as close as possible. And we're fastening them to the joints or anything here with these they're called Heko screws. These are 15 inches long, and the beauty of these are you can actually put them in with these little 20-volt impact drivers, which is pretty awesome. It makes the job a little bit easier. And to countersink these, all I'm doing is taking a bit and countersinking about 3 inches, which will give me my 3 or 4 inches that I need here. So I'll have plenty of it. And since I'm minimum 12-inch wide, one screw is enough every 3 foot to hold everything down. I don't think there's a hurricane coming up here. Mind you, we've had some bad winds, but nothing major. So worst case, I'll countersink 4 inches, get a little bit more screw depth. And this is where I am at. I'm building this corner of the house because my electrician is coming in soon, I hope. And I need to build up this wall right here. So he can put his junction box for the power in, on, off, and the 200 amp panel. I'm going to continue. Today is going to be a big day in the sense that every day is a big day, actually.
And I'm Ann. I'm here to show you a few other things that we've got done, such as the joints, screwing in. He was telling you about pre-drilling. As you can see here, Dean is cutting the corners or the edges to get the joints for our walls. As you can see here, it is very tedious work and very precise, and Dean is very good at it actually. The joints are coming out very well. I am placing the tape down. It's an expansion foam tape, as you can see in the photo. The tape is called Hanaban BG1. It is to put in the routed grooves to prevent the moisture from going through the boards. And thank you for watching.